The calcium in your bones was forged in a dying star. Not as a metaphor, as a physical fact. We tend to think our bodies are purely earthly. Food, water, air, soil, as if this planet invented everything we are made of. But Earth did not invent these materials. Earth collected them. In the beginning, the universe was almost simple, mostly hydrogen, mostly helium. A young cosmos with very few ingredients. Everything heavier had to be made later, and the makers were stars. A star is gravity and heat, held in balance. In its core, atoms are pressed together. Hydrogen becomes helium, and that change releases energy. It powers starlight. Over time, in the most massive stars, the factory keeps going. Helium can become carbon. Carbon can help build oxygen. Layer by layer, heavier elements appear. Then the star reaches a hard boundary. Iron. Iron is a turning point. It does not help the star the way earlier fusion does. It cannot keep the same balance alive for long, so the core collapses, fast, violently. And in that ending, the star does two things at once. It creates and it gives. It forges elements in extreme conditions and it throws them outward into space. Calcium, iron, phosphorus. The raw materials that living things will one day use. Those atoms drift for millions of years. They mix into cold clouds. They become part of new stars, new worlds, and eventually one small planet with oceans and air. Now imagine a switch you cannot really build. It removes from your body every atom that required stars to live and die. No calcium in your bones, no iron in your blood, no oxygen in your water. You don't become simpler, you disappear. Because a human body is not made from the early universe alone. It is made from rare ingredients. Ingredients that only exist because stars changed the chemistry of the cosmos. So when you touch your arm, you are touching stellar history. When you breathe in, you are borrowing atoms that once lived inside a star. The calcium in your bones was forged in a dying star. And somehow, from that death, a human life began.